Hi Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Gomez from Wednesday, so let's get started. To draw Wednesday's cute dad, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm not going to make them very big, so they're a little bit smaller than usual. So I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. It was really hard trying to capture his look, but hopefully you like how it turns out. Okay, so now we have smaller circles in. Let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Now that my eye's in, I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve over the eye, just right on top, just to anchor my eyes. And I come to this side, I'm going to bring it down. And same thing over here. So just right over the eyes, we're just going to draw a curve, bring it down. And then at the bottom right here, we're going to draw another small little line right underneath. There. And then from there, let's draw his brows. So his brows are pretty, very arched. So I'm going to come about right here and go up and then down and then thicken them up. And I'll shade them in black, and same thing over here. There. Then from there, let's come to say about right here in the center, and we're going to draw his famous mustache, right? So right about here, I'm just going to kind of draw this very soft curve right in the center, and then I'm going to bring it down, draw the shape of his mustache, like about like that, and then I'm going to sharpen this corner right there, and then straighten it out, and then bring it down again. And then you can come in here and just shade this in with some lines for his mustache. And then we're going to come back to the top right here. He has a very broad nose, so I'm going to come about right here and just draw a curve for his nose. And then you can come in here with some nostrils as well, right there. So it's just very subtle, but two little bumps. And then right at the bottom right here, we're going to draw his lip, which is very full. So we're just going to draw this curve right there. And then right about here as well, you can just add a little subtle curve at the bottom. Very, very subtle. Just felt like it needed it. And then we can come back up here and give him some more definition, like maybe about right here. And add a curve for his brow area. You can add a little curve right here between, but I'll do that when I'm coloring because I think the Sharpie is a little too harsh. So then from there, right underneath his lip, we're just going to do a really subtle curve right under. And then come down, and about right here, I'm just going to draw another curve for his chin. So I know there's a lot of very subtle lines right here, and maybe I should join this one so we know it's his lip. Okay, so then from there, we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw his face. So let's come to say the top of his, well, you know what, with Gomez it's a little bit different. So let's come to, like, say about right here, a little bit lower. We're going to come out a little bit wider, so about right here, because he has a very wide face and full face. So from there, I'm going to go ahead and draw bottom of a U. So I'm going to come down, and I'm going to use this as my guide right here. I'm going to come down just a little bit underneath that, about right here. I'll give myself a point. Then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect everything with a wide bottom of a U. Back to that point. And same thing here. So definitely turn your body or the paper, whatever you need to do to help you draw this big curve there. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're going to, about right here where we started, actually go up a little bit more. I'm going to anchor it in. I'm going to draw an angle in because he has a very much narrower forehead. And then let's just imagine this as a big oval. So let's say about right here, right in the center. I'll just give myself a point. From there, I'm going to come down, come out, and then down and wobble a little bit as I come down and hit that point. So same thing here. I'm going to start to wobble my way down for his hair line. And then let's come back to about right here. This is where his hair is we're gonna angle it out about right here as well. And then let's come back to the center. About right here, I'm gonna go ahead and wobble my way down, all the way back. So same thing here. There, maybe a little bit more subtle, not as much. So I'll fix that a little bit. There, just want to give it a little bit of a wave, not really curls. I think I curled it too much. Okay, so then from there we can go ahead, right in this space, we're going to draw his ears. We're just going to tuck a big curve right here. And you can just draw some curves inside for some detail. And same thing here. And about right here, curve. There, so hopefully I've captured his look a little bit. And we draw some lines right there. And then from there, we're pretty much done with his face. So let's draw his body. So let's come about right here. We want to make him nice and strong, right? So not much of a neck. We're just going to come about right here. And we're going to come out with really broad shoulders. So say about right here, and then I'm going to turn it in. There. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to come back into this space right here, and I'm going to curve down. And so this is the beginning of his jacket area. And before I finish that, let's come back here and we're going to draw a V right into the center and back up. Then we're going to draw his collar, come back to the center, come down, and then a tie right in here. I'm going to tuck a little tie right in here and down there. So this is going to be his vest. So we're going to come down with a straight line, and then let's keep bringing this down. So we're just going to, this is basically his jacket, the opening. So then let's come back here. It's like where her shoulders are turning, and bring this down a little bit more. So this is going to be the side. So same thing here. And so let's keep going. So we're just going to bring this jacket down more. And getting a little bit narrow as we come down. So bring this more down. There. So then we have to figure out how far to bring this jacket down, right? So where do we stop? So I'm going to say about right here. I'm going to take a look right down the center for his vest and say about right here. I'll stop and angle out. So this is kind of like where his waist area is, where his vest is going to end. So then about there, I know where to end my jacket. So about right here, I'll start to curve it in. And then bring this down to about right here. And go ahead and connect. And same thing about right here, same level, and connect. So just take a look where you want to end the vest, and that would just kind of help you figure out how far down to bring the jacket. So then from there, we're going to come straight down the center again, and about right here, we're going to draw a slight angle line. And this is where his legs are going to start. So I'm just going to draw two very close angle lines together. And before I forget, I'm just going to come in here and draw a lighter line right in the center for some detail on his pants. And then we're going to come down about here and here to draw his legs. So I'm going to work on this side first. I'm going to come out just a little bit. About right there. He's not very tall at all, right? And so we're just going to end it about right here. Then bring this down to about right here. We'll flare it out a little bit, and then we're going to go up a little bit and then come down. And then right in this area, we're just going to pop out a very simple shoe. Bring it in. There, to simplify it. And so same thing on this side. Just go ahead once again, just like the other side. Flare it out a little bit and then go up and come down. And then just pop out a little shoe right here. And connect. There. Okay, so now that we're done with his pants, let's go ahead and we're going to draw his arms. So we're just going to put them, his hands are going to be about right here. So let's end his sleeves about right there. Just bring it down at a slight angle, a little bit wider as we come down, and about right there, go ahead and connect. And then let's draw his hands. So nice big hands, big thumb, round it off. And up. So same thing here. So just want to end at the same level. Go right there and connect. And once again, thumb and round it off. There, got his hands in. And for some details on the jacket, let's come back about right here. We're going to draw angle line, and then we're going to bring this in. And then the top right here, 2 angles to finish it off. So same thing on the other side. About right here, we're going to end about right there and connect it. And once again, about right here and up. Just like the other side. And you can draw in some buttons for his vest. And I believe he might have some pockets right here, right? I hope. I'm not wrong, but if I am, I will erase it. I forgot to make sure. And I think he also has a pocket here, right? So I'll just kind of draw this little line right here, and then he has a handkerchief thing going on, right? So just draw a little thing that pops out. And let's see here, what else are we missing? That is pretty much it for my drawing here of Gomez Addams from Wednesday. I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today, and that you love him just as much as all the other drawings I've done of all the Wednesday characters so far. Please let me know in the comments below if there's other characters you want me to draw, and I'll definitely give it my best. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.